so now we're really off to the races. So we basically qualified everybody. Now we're going to go do some work. So first thing we do is we go get the CSV email. So we go down, there's a routine that looks at each row and parses out and figures out exactly what the guy's email is. This system, and by the way, Salesforce uses the email as the actual as the unique identifier. So that's what we use. So the first thing I need to do is for all the incoming CSV lines for each, I'm sorry, right now we're looking at each individual row. We're doing rows one at a time. So we're going to go down and get this email for this particular row. Okay? So we're going to get back one email. So now we go get that, and this routine sets the email to the static emails here. See, email address. It actually sets it to this public to this public static variable so that everybody can come get it. You'll notice there's no return value here. We just invoke the routine. It sets the variable to the global variable, and then it's done, and it comes back up here, and we do the next one. Now the next one here actually loads the variables. So this one goes and loads additional a lot of the key variables into the sysimport settings. Okay, so it loads up a lot of these guys that you need and populates them for later use by other objects that are going to need that data. So this is where they all get pushed into their appropriate storage box. Okay, next, we do want to get rid of individual. There are some that come in where the people are waived, or their session that they're signing up for starts with an X. If it's waived or X, if it contains waived or the leftmost character, the first character is X, we don't want to mess around with it. Okay, so this is how we just cut it out. We just say if it's this, do nothing. But if it's not one of these wasted ones, then let's do some more work. So the first thing,